As a former accountant who's done it for his own practice, do you want us to build and launch a high margin client attraction system for you in 15 days to add 20,000 or more per month to your practice so you can focus on what you'd rather be doing instead of wasting your time and money networking and passing out business cards or doing social media and paid ads? Who am I? My name is Jeff Bourgeois. I am a growth strategist for CPA firms. I've published 3 books on the topic of practice growth. I'm a professional agitator. I love finding new and innovative ways to help accountants serve their clients. And so far, curiosity has not killed this cat. I love exploring new ways to do things. And I've been helping CPA firms grow for 8 years. And quite frankly, I'm tired of seeing my colleagues wasting their time, energy, and money using generic advertising strategies that just simply don't work. I know you've probably heard you just have to join BNI and you'll get all the referrals you want, right? But the problem is they don't tell you about the time, energy, and money you need to commit to chasing referrals, and you can still leave networking meetings without results. I know, I've been there and it sucks, really. Then I found out about descension funnels or the downward sales ladder. I went even further and took the best 20% of the top 20% and came up with 15-day funnels. It's a super shortcut to get you from idea to new clients in the shortest possible time. And the best and fastest way I've found to add 20,000 or more per month to your firm's revenue, generate self-qualifying leads every day, close new clients every month looking for your offer, without selling, wasting your time, energy, or money, spending hours networking, passing out business cards, social media, or paid ads. And I'm going to reveal the details to you in a minute. First, I need to explain why this works so well. My new approach is based on 3 popular strategies. First, I hope you've all heard of the KISS principle, keep it super simple. Second, the Pareto Principle, outputs are disproportionate to inputs, also known as the 80-20 rule. And finally, money loves speed. Get it done well, get it out the door. And I named it 15-day funnels. Now, to be honest, I copied some of this from Joel Irway, who copied it from Tesla Motors. So as you can see, Elon Musk wrote his first master plan, and I won't read the whole slide, but basically you'll see right in the middle, his goal was to create a low volume car, which would necessarily be expensive, use that money to develop a medium volume car at a lower price, and use that money to create an affordable high volume car. And by the way, that is backwards from what most experts teach. It works very well because it is different. So this is the most important slide. I'll spend some time here. This is the key slide. A typical ascension funnel, which most accounting firms use, is you do something low cost or free to get their attention. A lot of accountants I know use bookkeeping, for example, as a loss leader. There's a low ticket item, again, that's maybe personal tax returns, and then you hopefully sell a medium, and if you have time and energy, then you'll develop and sell a high ticket, which would be maybe consulting services or high-end compliance. The problem is you must design all offers and traffic up front. It's much more complicated, it's slow, it's difficult and time consuming, and unfortunately it's higher cost and less revenue because you're servicing all of your low value clients trying to get them to become high value. Now in the descension model based on Elon Musk, we create a high ticket offer, whether it's personal one-to-one or a group, for example, helping clients with cash flow. And then we'll get to the other services later. But first we design the high ticket item up front. It's less complicated, it's faster and easier, it's lower cost and more revenue. And once we have the revenue and the margins from our high ticket offer, then we start to look at creating other offers. So we have a 3-step process. Step 1 is craft a no-brainer high ticket offer. We'll use the KISS principle to keep your offer super simple and as clear as possible. So it has to be simple and clear for you to implement and for your clients to consume. Under the Pareto Principle, we'll focus on the best 20% of the top 20% that delivers the 80% of the 80% of the value to your client. In English, what is the 4% of your offer or effort that delivers 64% of the results? And then money loves speed, so we're going to get it done. It'll be 80% complete and out the door. That's better than 100% complete and perfect sitting on your desk. We can always adjust later if needed. So what this looks like when completed, you will have a 3 to 5 point outline of your offer. You can deliver one-on-one or to a group with minimal preparation time and cost, with minimal time to deliver or fulfill. I doubled my firm every year, 3 years in a row. So step 2, make your micro webinar. One short to the point, 10 to 15 minute video, no long multi-step funnel with multiple front-end giveaways or products. It is super simple and fast. What this looks like when completed, self-qualified prospects are coming to you that already want your offer, which means little or no selling on your part. You only talk to people that come to you that want what you offer and are ready to purchase. I went from 0 to $1 million in sales in my accounting firm in under 12 months using this methodology. Step 3, create a self-qualifying system. We want to eliminate the tire kickers or the wannabes. We want to attract high-margin corporate clients that value you and what you do. And the self-assessment does most or all of the qualifying for you. If they finish the assessment, they are serious and ready to buy. What this looks like when completed, you end up with enrollment calls, not sales conversations. The calls are from self-qualified, high-quality leads that already know, like, and trust you. Most clients who took my offer doubled their revenues in their first year with me. So just to recap, here's how we'll help you do this. Step 1, we craft a no-brainer high-ticket offer. We'll help you create a super simple, easy, cost-effective, no-brainer offer to attract the right prospect with the willingness and ability to pay. Step 2, we'll make your micro webinar. We'll script and record your micro webinar just like this to pre-qualify and pre-frame leads from cold, warm, or hot traffic so they are ready to enroll. Step 3, create a self-qualifying system. We'll create a self-qualifying assessment so you only speak to those who want your offer, want to work with you, and you want to work with. Plus, we'll manage all of the technology for you. So if you want to stop wasting time, energy, and money, and would just rather have a couple of calls with us to build you one of these 15-day funnels, so you can get the pre-qualified, pre-framed leads you want to enroll as clients, and add $20,000 or more per month to your firm, then fill out the assessment form on this page and schedule a call. When you work with us, we will craft a no-brainer high-ticket offer, script and record your micro webinar for you, create a self-qualifying assessment, launch and optimize the system, all to get you qualified leads to clients day after day, month after month. There are limited spots available. We only build a few of these each month to keep our quality high. If you're seeing this video now, that means there are spots open. Fill out the application on this page. We look forward to hearing about your great new high margin clients.